In today's market, customers need the ability to produce more energy with optimal efficiency to increase revenue from power production and capacity payments. With performance monitoring, you can identify and recover thermodynamic degradation by maximizing power production on a data-driven analytical level. Our Siemens Energy Performance engineers and digital applications complement your plant experts, recovering usable megawatts and maintaining high-performance standards. We identify thermodynamic degradation with a thermodynamic digital twin, which compares the current performance of your plant assets against the optimal performance output. We calculate this under the same operating conditions to determine the difference between your actual plant performance and the digital twin. With the help of our digital application supplemented by our experts, the information is reviewed and recommendations are provided with actionable insights on how to recover the degradation. Performance monitoring aids your margin by ultimately assisting you in generating more power, improving fuel efficiency, optimizing emissions, advancing merit order positioning, and overall reliability and availability for increased revenue. Let's take a closer look at a real case from one of our trusted customers and how performance monitoring helped them identify and recover from the degradation. This customer received an exception report from our performance monitoring engineers informing them that an unexpected performance degradation had been detected in all 3 of their gas turbines and recommending an immediate actionable insight. The customer decided to shut down their turbines to perform an unscheduled offline compressor wash on their units when their power demand was minimal and before some highly profitable days ahead. 24 hours later, the plant team met with our performance experts to validate the recovered megawatts. As a result, this customer was now able to produce the full 27 megawatts of recovered power and recognize nearly $500,000 of power production and capacity revenue for the year that they would have otherwise missed. What are our customers saying about performance monitoring?
The continuous performance optimization service helps us make better equipment maintenance and operational decisions. They have the analytical tools and help us work toward a deeper understanding of the data. They are helpful in our efforts to observe the post-maintenance performance improvements and minimize degradation between outages.